Roberto from Brazil walked into his dream job interview at Google. He had perfect qualifications, perfect resume, perfect answers. But when he said, "I have 3 years of experience," the interviewer's face changed. Roberto meant 3 years, but his pronunciation made him sound unprofessional. He lost the job because of one sound. Your English grammar is perfect. Your vocabulary is amazing. But people still ask, "What did you say?" Or "Can you repeat that?" The problem is not your English knowledge. The problem is your pronunciation. You sound like you are translating from your language instead of speaking English naturally. Here is the shocking truth. Native speakers judge your intelligence and professionalism by how you sound, not by what you know. Unfair? Yes. Reality? Absolutely. Today I will teach you the native system. 7 powerful steps that will transform your pronunciation from foreign to natural in just 30 days. No boring mouth position diagrams. No complicated phonetic symbols. Just simple techniques that work fast. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to rewire your mouth for English sounds. You will speak with confidence that makes people listen and respect you. Let me tell you what happened to Roberto after he learned this system. He spent 30 days using the native method. Same qualifications, same resume, but completely different pronunciation. His next interview was at Microsoft. When he said, "I have 3 years of experience," it sounded perfect. He got the job and a signing bonus. 6 months later, Roberto was promoted to team lead. Why? His colleagues told me later. Roberto sounds so professional and confident. We trust his judgment. That is the power of native-like pronunciation. It changes how people see you instantly. Why do English learners struggle with pronunciation? 3 major reasons destroy your progress. First, you practice pronunciation wrong. You repeat words slowly and carefully, but native speakers talk fast and listen for the rhythm and melody. Suddenly, English started making sense. His listening improved, and his speaking followed naturally. Practice this. Watch English videos and ignore the words. Listen only to the music of English. Notice how sentences go up and down like songs. This musical training prepares your brain for native patterns. Step 2. Absorb through shadowing technique. Shadowing means speaking along with native speakers in real time. Not after them, with them. This technique forces your mouth to move at native speed with native rhythm. Choose content slightly below your level. News reports, podcast interviews, or YouTube videos work perfectly. Play the audio and speak along immediately. Do not worry about understanding every word. Focus on copying the sounds and rhythm. Lisa from Korea tried shadowing for just 15 minutes daily. After 2 weeks, her Korean friend said she sounded different. After 1 month, her American colleagues noticed her improvement. After 3 months, strangers could not guess her nationality from her accent. The magic happens because shadowing bypasses your thinking brain. Your mouth learns to move in English patterns automatically without translation. Step 3. Train your mouth muscles daily. Your mouth has been speaking your native language for years. Those muscles are strong in your language patterns but weak in English patterns. You need English mouth training. English uses different muscle positions than most languages. English speakers keep their tongue lower and flatter. They open their mouths wider for vowels. They use more lip rounding and spreading. Hassan from Lebanon discovered his mouth was too tense for English. Arabic requires tight, precise mouth movements. English requires loose, relaxed movements. He spent 10 minutes daily doing English mouth exercises. His pronunciation transformed completely. Simple mouth training. Say red leather, yellow leather 10 times fast. Say unique New York 10 times fast. These exercises train your mouth for English-specific movements. Step 4. Imitate rhythm before words. Here is the secret most teachers never tell you. English rhythm matters more than individual sounds. You can pronounce every sound perfectly but still sound foreign if your rhythm is wrong. English has stress-timed rhythm. Important words get stressed and stretched. Unimportant words get reduced and squashed. I want to go to the store. The capital words are long and clear. The small words are fast and unclear. Carlos from Mexico had perfect individual sounds but terrible rhythm. He stressed every word equally like Spanish. When he learned English rhythm patterns, his accent disappeared almost overnight. Native speakers started complimenting his English. Practice this. Take any English sentence. Clap for the stress words, whisper the unstressed words. I want to go to the store becomes clap, whisper, clap, whisper, clap. This rhythm training is more important than sound training. Step 5. Visualize mouth shapes naturally. Do not memorize mouth position charts. Instead, watch native speakers' faces when they talk. Notice how their lips, jaw, and facial expressions move naturally. English speakers smile more when speaking than most languages. They drop their jaw lower for vowels. They round their lips more dramatically. These are not individual sound rules. They are natural English face patterns. Elena from Russia looked stern when speaking English because Russian uses less facial movement. When she started copying American facial expressions while speaking, her pronunciation improved dramatically. She looked friendly and sounded native. Watch English speakers in person or on video. Copy their whole face, not just their mouth. English is spoken with the entire face, not just the tongue and lips. Step 6. Eliminate your language interference. Your native language interferes with English automatically. Your brain wants to use familiar sounds instead of English sounds. You must identify your specific interference patterns and break them consciously. Spanish speakers change V to B. Chinese speakers struggle with L and R. German speakers make W sound like V. French speakers add extra vowels at word endings. These are not random mistakes, they are systematic interference patterns. Yuki from Japan identified her 3 biggest interference patterns. She changed R to L, added vowels after consonants, and used flat intonation instead of English melody. She focused on fixing just these 3 patterns. Her English clarity improved 300% in 2 months. Record yourself speaking English. Compare to native speakers. Identify your top 3 interference patterns. Practice conquering 1 pattern per week until it becomes automatic. Step 7. Speak with native confidence patterns. Native speakers use confident intonation patterns that show authority and friendliness. Learning these patterns makes you sound professional and trustworthy instantly. Confident English goes down at the end of statements. My name is John should end with falling intonation, not rising. Rising intonation makes statements sound like questions, which makes you sound uncertain. Confident English uses clear word boundaries. Native speakers pronounce the beginning and end of important words clearly, even when speaking fast. This creates clarity without slowing down. Marco from Italy learned this lesson during client presentations. His uncertain intonation made clients doubt his expertise. When he started using confident English patterns, clients trusted him immediately. His business doubled in 6 months. Practice reading news articles with confident, falling intonation. Record yourself and listen back. Do you sound certain or uncertain? Confident or apologetic? Let me share 3 incredible pronunciation transformations. Sarah from Germany moved to Texas for work. Her German accent was so strong that customers requested different sales representatives. She felt humiliated and almost quit. Then she discovered the native system. She spent 1 hour daily for 3 months shadowing Texas news anchors. Her accent became completely American. She became the top salesperson and now trains other international employees. Peter from Poland was a brilliant software engineer but got passed over for promotions. His manager explained that his accent made him hard to understand in meetings. Peter used the native system, focusing on rhythm and confidence patterns. 6 months later, he was promoted to senior architect. His pronunciation opened doors his skills alone could not. Anna from Brazil dreamed of becoming an English teacher, but failed pronunciation tests repeatedly. The native system helped her identify that she was using Portuguese rhythm patterns in English. She retrained her mouth muscles and rhythm patterns. She now teaches English pronunciation to other Brazilians and runs her own online school. Here are 3 advanced secrets that separate good pronunciation from native-like pronunciation. Secret 1. Master connected speech. Native speakers do not say, "Did you eat yet?" They say, "Jeet yet." Learn the most common connected speech patterns. Want to becomes wanna. Going to becomes gonna. What are you becomes watcha. Secret 2. Use thought groups, not word-by-word speech. Native speakers group words into meaningful chunks with natural pauses. Yesterday .. I went to the store .. and bought some groceries. These thought groups create natural rhythm. Secret 3. Match your personality to your pronunciation. Confident people use falling intonation and clear consonants. Friendly people use more pitch variation and softer vowels. Authoritative people use slower pace and stronger word stress. Your pronunciation should match who you are. Here are 3 challenges to accelerate your pronuncia. Challenge 1. The Mirror Challenge. Spend 10 minutes daily speaking English to yourself in the mirror. Watch your face and mouth movements. Copy native speaker facial expressions. This visual feedback improves your muscle memory. Challenge 2. The Shadowing Sprint. Choose one English speaker whose voice you admire. Shadow them for 15 minutes daily for 1 month. Your brain will automatically adopt their pronunciation patterns. Challenge 3. The Recording Challenge. Record yourself reading the same paragraph every week. Compare your progress monthly. You will be amazed at your improvement and motivated to continue. Pronunciation is not about perfection. It is about connection. When people understand you clearly and respect how you sound, doors open everywhere. Career opportunities, friendships, confidence, everything improves. Remember Roberto from the beginning? One pronunciation improvement changed his entire career trajectory. The same transformation awaits you with the native system. Your pronunciation journey starts today. Choose one step from the native system and practice it this week. Progress happens one sound pattern at a time. If this video inspired you, type native in the comments and tell me which pronunciation challenge you face most. I read every comment and provide personalized advice. Subscribe to Sound of English for more fast English improvement strategies. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video that could transform your English confidence. Your native-like pronunciation journey begins now. Start practicing the native system today. Turn your foreign accent into your confident English voice. You have got this.